Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to fix Reshade no effects files found. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. Here click on Network and Internet from the left side. Now check your Wi-Fi connection. If it is turned off, turn it back on and make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. Then click on Advanced Network Settings. Now select Network Reset and follow the prompts to refresh your network settings. After that, click on Windows Update from the left side. Then click Check for updates and install any available updates. Now go back to the desktop and open the Run dialog. Here type temp and click OK. A temporary files folder will open. Delete all the files you can, then go back and open the Run dialog again. This time type %temp% and click OK. Now delete the files in this folder as well. Next, open the Recycle bin. Here click Empty Recycle bin to permanently remove the deleted files. Now open Google Chrome. Then click on the three dots from the top right corner. Click Settings. Here click on Privacy and Security. Now click Delete Browsing Data, select the desired time range and check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Then click Delete Data and wait for the process to complete. Once finished, close and reopen Google Chrome. Now download or reinstall the latest version of Reshade and run the installer again. Make sure the effect packages are selected during installation, as Reshade will not show effects if the shader files were not installed. After installation, launch your game and open the Reshade overlay. Check that the effects and shaders folders are correctly detected and that the effect files are listed. If the issue still remains, restart your computer and launch the game again to see if the effects load properly. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.